At this stage, there are no major flaws with the Optimus 3 design, although the Tesla team is planning to retool and refine several components. This means that prototypes of Optimus 3 are expected to arrive later this year, with larger-scale production starting the following year. Elon Musk has said very clearly that the goal is to ramp up Optimus production as fast as humanly possible, aiming to reach 1 million units each year as quickly as possible. You may have already noticed how humanoid robots are starting to become more and more common in the real world. Watch Boston Dynamics Atlas go through practice routines, or look at Figure AI's latest humanoid robots loading laundry into a washing machine, and you can see why many people believe the robot revolution is truly arriving. From Tesla's Optimus to Figure AI's Figure 2, these machines are walking, learning, and in some cases even flipping into action in daily life. But while most technology companies focus on showing off robots that can only walk, carry objects, or do acrobatics, Elon Musk is moving in the opposite direction with Tesla's approach. He is introducing the Tesla Bot version 3.5, which is said to handle more than 3,000 different tasks. This is possible thanks to a versatile toolkit that lets customers immediately use the robot in daily life, potentially saving or generating the equivalent of $50,000 every year. If things go as expected, this version will be launched before the end of the year, with important upgrades to its design, including a new OLED display and fully articulated hands with 22 degrees of freedom. The big question is, what exactly will the Tesla Bot version 3.5 do with those 3,000 tasks? And will the promised $50,000 per year really be achieved, or is it just another big claim? Welcome to Amp Drive, the place where we explore every new breakthrough from Tesla and beyond. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe right now. We have just crossed 1,000 subscribers and we truly appreciate your support. Do not forget to press the notification bell so you never miss a new update. When Elon Musk explained how Optimus could bring real value, he pointed to high-priority and high-impact situations. For example, caring for someone who requires a lot of medical attention or constant help, such as a person living with quadriplegia who may need a full-time assistant. In such cases, a humanoid robot that can provide 24-hour support would be life-changing. These will likely be the first and most valuable use cases. However, many people still do not completely trust humanoid robots. The reason is simple: almost every month or every year, a new company shows a robot that promises to change the game, only for it to vanish without explanation shortly afterward. This has created the idea that humanoid robots are nothing more than lab experiments that never reach the real world. Along with this doubt, there is also mockery. Whenever people see humanoid robots moving slowly, shaking like toddlers learning to walk, or falling over, the internet reacts with laughter and viral clips comparing them to clumsy humans who have had too much to drink. Thankfully, the Tesla Bot Optimus has almost fully destroyed these old prejudices. Over the past 2 years, instead of disappearing like so many other prototypes, Optimus has continued to become more impressive in both its hardware and software. Imagine for a moment having a robot partner at home. Not just as a companion, but as an active helper taking care of household chores, mowing the lawn, walking the dog, playing with children, babysitting, and even lending a hand in producing goods and services. Optimus can tutor your kids, watch over them, carry groceries, serve drinks, or manage almost any task you can think of. Today, with every demonstration, Tesla Bot has been proving its ability to perform the wide range of duties people once only imagined. It has already learned how to pick up trash, open bags and throw them in the bin, wipe tables, tear off paper towels, stir food in a pot, vacuum the carpet, open cabinets, and even pull curtains closed. Earlier demonstrations showed Optimus folding laundry, washing dishes, watering plants, retrieving items from a car trunk, playing games, dancing, and even answering random questions. And here is what makes it more remarkable: Tesla has achieved all of this progress in less than 2 years. If this pace of development continues, or even speeds up, it is not hard to imagine Optimus robots confidently standing side by side with humans within just 2 more years. Even more exciting, Tesla is planning to allow users to personalize their robots. You could customize its voice, adjust its personality, and let it slowly get to know your habits and preferences. Eventually, you might not even need to give spoken instructions because it will anticipate your needs. Imagine waking up to find Optimus quietly cleaning your home, running the vacuum, washing dishes left in the sink, organizing clutter, and sorting the trash. This leap in capability has been powered by a new mechanical design and cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Optimus redesigned hands, for example, are a massive improvement over the earlier versions. Gone are the visible cables and actuators of Generation 2. In Generation 3, the hands are fully enclosed, built with high-quality materials, and offer 22 degrees of freedom for movement, which is strikingly close to what human hands can achieve. They also have tactile sensors on the fingertips, meaning they can handle delicate items like glass or eggs without breaking them. They are even resistant to water, so tasks like washing dishes under running water are now possible. These advanced hands give Optimus multitasking power like never before. It can switch smoothly between activities, holding a vacuum, sweeping with a broom, opening cabinets to get dishes, and then putting everything neatly back. Over the next few years, Tesla expects that with just a few simple prompts, Optimus will be able to handle nearly any home task you want. Its artificial intelligence system, trained with neural networks and a process known as sim-to-real learning, allows it to study first-person human demonstration videos and quickly adapt to new duties. For example, if it sees a dirty spot on the stove, it will clean that exact spot instead of wasting time wiping down a surface that is already clean. With advanced vision sensors and cameras, Optimus can also create a three-dimensional map of your home, move carefully from one room to another, and avoid obstacles like pets, children, or wires on the floor. This ability to adapt makes it usable in any type of home, from a small apartment to a large house. When people ask how Tesla bot version 3.5 can generate $50,000 in value, the explanation comes down to efficiency. Other companies, like China's Unitry Robotics, have released products such as the Unite R1 humanoid robot, priced at under $6,000. While the price is impressive compared to robots that cost tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars, these products are still mainly stuck in labs and not ready for everyday life. In contrast, Tesla is working to make Optimus directly useful to people and businesses, with Elon Musk even hinting that Optimus could create tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in value each year while selling for only around $20,000. Currently, Optimus version 2.5 can perform about 1,500 tasks. With version 3, that number could potentially double to 3,000. Tasks will become more refined too. For example, version 2.5 can safely hold an egg, but version 3 might be able to crack it, cook it, and serve it as breakfast. Each new degree of freedom added to its design expands its potential. This is why Elon Musk confidently refers to Optimus as a money-making machine. The value lies not only in household chores but also in industrial and commercial settings. Imagine Optimus working in a clothing store, folding and packaging thousands of shirts daily. Or on a farm, carefully watering crops and picking produce. The potential is limitless, and unlike science fiction, Tesla is making it a real-world product. Of course, skepticism still exists. Some people worry about safety, referencing movies like Terminator or I, Robot. Elon Musk himself has warned that artificial intelligence could be dangerous if misused, even more dangerous than nuclear weapons. That is why Tesla emphasizes building robots that are safe, user-friendly, and always under human control. Still, the biggest fear for many is not safety but jobs. If thousands of Optimus robots enter the workforce, how many human workers will be replaced? After Tesla recently laid off 14,000 employees, this question feels more urgent. If companies like Amazon, Walmart, or FedEx adopt Optimus, will they cut even more human jobs? Musk has already said that in the future, physical work will be optional. If you want to work, you can, but you will not need to. Optimus, with its 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery, can run more than 8 hours straight without rest, without breaks, without sick leave. For employers, this is extremely appealing. Roles like assembly line work, materials handling, or routine inspections could be automated easily. Yet history shows that technology often transforms jobs instead of only eliminating them. The personal computer was once feared for replacing office workers, yet it created whole new industries and increased productivity. Similarly, robots could generate new jobs in programming, maintenance, integration, and customer support. Musk has even said Tesla could one day build billions of Optimus units, with a robot-to-human ratio of 1:1 or even 2:1. In such a world, owning a robot could become as normal as owning a smartphone or laptop today. However, realistically, it may take decades before robots can do 80 or 90% of all human tasks. So, where does that leave us today? Optimus is still in its early stage, with its abilities not yet matching the high expectations set by Musk's vision. To win over skeptics, Tesla must clearly outline development roadmaps, show testing milestones, and partner with businesses to deploy Optimus in real-world settings. Transparency and practical demonstrations are essential to prove this is more than just hype. If Tesla can deliver on safety, ethics, and real functionality, Optimus may not only change how people see humanoid robots but could redefine the entire market. What do you think? Is Optimus a real opportunity or a threat to jobs and human work? Share your views in the comments. Thank you for watching AMP Drive. Remember to subscribe so you do not miss the next Tesla update, coming soon. We truly appreciate your support, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.